So now let's talk about jazz scales. Now for any chord in jazz, there are multiple scales that you can choose to play. If you want a bright sound over a C major 7 chord, you could play D major pentatonic, or you could play G major pentatonic, or C major pentatonic, or you could play C Lydian, or you could play C major bebop scale. You could play C major blues scale. And the only thing that has to line up is the chord tones. So the root, 3rd, 5th, and 7th of your scale have to agree with the root, 3rd, 5th, and 7th of your chord. And apart from that, the 9th, the 11th, and 13th can be tweaked either way, and the scale will still sound consonant. However, there is a simple rule which will tell you which scale to play. I call it the chord tone plus whole step principle, and it works for any chord. So let's take a C major 7 chord. You're going to start by playing the root, 3rd, 5th, and 7th of the chord. And then you're going to add a whole step above the root, the 3rd, and the 5th. So for C major 7, C upper whole step is D, E upper whole step is F sharp, that's the sharp 4, and G upper whole step is A. And then we have the 7th. So this is called C Lydian scale. It's a major scale with a sharp 4, and this is my go-to scale for major 7 chords. Let's say you have a C minor 7 chord. Again, we'll start with the chord tones. Root, minor 3rd this time, 5th, minor 7th this time, and then we're going to add a whole step to the root, 3rd, and 5th. So C upper whole step is D, E flat upper whole step is F, and G upper whole step is A. And this is C Dorian scale. And one more example, let's apply it to the dominant 7 chord. Again, chord tones first, root, 3rd, 5th, and 7th. And now let's add a whole step. C upper whole step is D, E upper whole step is F sharp, G upper whole step is A. And this scale is called C Lydian dominant scale. And this technique works for all the 7th chords, whether you have a half-diminished chord, even chords that we haven't looked at yet. The fully diminished 7 chord, you just start with the chord tones first, and then add a whole step to each of those notes.